In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most benevolent, gracious, and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rehan, and I am here with another video in connection to our skills enhancement program. The skills that I am going to discuss today will open up the doors of opportunity for you people. So, your job is to make an educated guess about the type of skill I'm referring to. Can you guess which skill I'm referring to? Before revealing this opportunity, I would like you to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and please like and share the video. So the wait is over, and the skill that I am referring to is IELTS Task 2 essay writing. So in this video, you will get an idea of how we can improve on this, and you will get to know some useful tips. This is going to be an interesting video, so watch it till the end to have some useful insights. So the tip number which I am going to discuss today is the understanding of the band descriptor. So band descriptors is basically the criteria through which you can perform well in your IELTS writing. Number one is task response. Number two is coherence and cohesion. Number third is lexical resource, and the last one is grammatical range and accuracy. So task response is basically responding to the task fully. It means to respond to the question as a whole. Second thing is coherence and cohesion. So coherence and cohesion means that you have to link the ideas logically, and you have to make these logical connection into paragraphs and within paragraphs. You can also use cohesive devices nonetheless, in addition to, as well as to make your writing more impressive. So this is the cohesion part, in which you will link the ideas with the help of cohesive devices. So the third thing is this lexical resource, and the lexical, in this segment you can use synonyms, you can rephrase, or you can paraphrase, and you can use different word forms. And the last one is grammatical range and accuracy, in which you can use simple and complex grammatical sentences. So the tip number two is understanding the question and plan your answer. So it's very important for you people to first of all understand the question as a whole, and after that plan your response. So in planning, what you can do, you can first of all highlight the main keywords of the question. After that, you can highlight narrow keywords, okay, which will give you a narrow background of the topic. Lastly, you can highlight the instruction words. These are the things which you have to do. You have to take the broader view of the topic. First of all, means general background, and after that you will narrow down. So, the question in Maze, the global warming is rising because of the pollution. So you will discuss both the aspects. So the main topic would be global warming, and narrowing down of the topic would be pollution. So after analyzing the topic, be ready with our main ideas. We will explain these ideas, and then we will give an example. Okay, shorthand, simple, and complex sentences. In terms of grammar, you can write down the vocabulary words related to the topic, and you can also list some grammatical structures which you are going to use in your answer. So for this planning phase, you will need 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes. If you are failing to plan, then you have plan to fail. In terms of grammar, you can write down the vocabulary words related to the topic, and you can also list some grammatical structures which you are going to use in your answer to fail. So that is why this segment is very much important. Next thing is tip number three. You have to develop essay structure. Like, you have to write an introduction, you have to come up with the body paragraphs, and you have to write a conclusion. Okay, so in introduction you have to paraphrase the question, you have to give a thesis statement. In body paragraph you will give the main ideas, and then you will elaborate these main ideas with the help of explanation and example. And in conclusion, you will write, summarize your viewpoints, and then you will restate your opinion. Tip number 4 is you have to keep the word limit intact, and this would be 260 to 270 words. Anything larger than that will cost you in terms of mistakes. So be vigilant and be in the word limit. Tip number 5 is lexical resource you can use, means vocabulary. You can use synonyms, you can use collocation, as I already told you, and you can use word form. In the grammatical range and accuracy, you can use simple, compound, and complex sentences. You can use a variety of verb tenses as per the question. So our next tip is going to be the time management. So for this section, what you have to do, first of all, plan your answer in 10 minutes, as I told you. Then in 25 minutes, you will write an essay, and the last 5 minutes you will give to proofread, cater in your 40 minutes time, which would be given to you for writing an essay. So tip number 7 is proofreading. So proofreading is important because without proofreading, you would not be able to increase your band scores. Okay, so you can easily enhance your band scores if you are proofreading your essays in the last 5 minutes. You can fix your grammatical issues, your vocabulary issues. You can fix your sentences as well, and then you can increase your band from you can say around 1 or 1.5 points. So the tip number 8, which is the last one, is writing assessment. So you have to use the services of an expert teacher to upgrade your scores. So in that case, you can also take our help, and we will help you to evaluate your writings as per the criteria, and we will give you feedback along with the complete assessment report. Enhance your score, and you can easily increase in between bands. From you can increase from band 5 to band 6 and band 6 to band 7. So we can provide you with assessment reports, and we will tell you how to do this in a short amount of time. So with this proven technique which I have told you, this is a complete system. Days or in a month, you can increase your band score from band 4 to band 7. And this is a proven technique, and a lot of our students applied this technique and they have got their desired scores. So this is going to be the end of our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, as this is the only thing which we are demanding from you people in connection to this content. So you can follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and for more information regarding the IELTS, PTE, OET, Duolingo, language cert, skills for English online and on-site classes, you can WhatsApp at 0311 9720668. You can also email at ieltspositiveedge@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.